Happy Sunday. We are back at CVS for a brand new 2-week ad. This week, June 7th through June 20th will be this new ad. So we will have the exact same extra care books going on for the next 2 weeks, the same CVS CRTs for the next 2 weeks. We will be getting another set of our CRTs this week next Sunday. And any extra book deals you do this week, you can do again next week. They'll reset next Sunday. So this week, the big deal is with the oral care promotion, kind of like how we got a few weeks ago, or maybe it was even more than that now. Time's been flying this spring and early summer, but we had our 10 off 40 hair care coupon. It's gonna be very similar to that, except with oral care this week. Everyone should have gotten in your CVS app a 10 off 25 oral care. So there's a bunch of good promotions that we can put together with that, just depending on what you need and use. Just like with the oral care, or just like with the hair care promotion, I was giving the advice that I recommend picking up things that you need that you aren't always able to get cheap or free normally in regular weeks couponing at CVS and other stores. So if there are oral care products that you need and use, but a lot of times there's not very good promotions on them, I would personally use your 10 off 25 on that. Or use your 10 off 25 to get a really low out of pocket and then use the extra bucks you earn to pay for things that you need. So I'm going to be showing you some of the lowest out of pocket scenarios, the cheapest final cost, net cost scenarios with that 10 off 25 coupon. And then we also have some really good deals, some really good other deals in general this week. This week I would rate like an 8 out of 10. Super good. A lot of promotions, a lot of high value digital coupons. And this week I am going to be posting a rolling extra bucks video. Hopefully I can get that up tonight, still on June 7th. Last week, like I mentioned to you guys, my rolling extra bucks scenario did not work because the spend 30 get 10 extra buck didn't print for the Colgate sensitive at my store for some reason. I did contact customer service if you guys wanted to follow up on that, and I did get my $10 extra buck issued. No problem. I was on the phone for maybe 5 minutes. The longest part of the phone call is verifying your account and like getting through the security process. But yeah, I did get that $10 extra buck. Last week was unfortunate, but this week's gonna be better. It's a great new week. We have a 10 off 25 oral care coupon in our I'm manifesting that our rolling extra buck scenario is going to go perfectly. So make sure to check that out. I'll post it here on YouTube Shorts as soon as I'm done filming and editing. Also, you can follow me on my other short form platforms. I am on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. That's it. At kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled. So if you want to follow me on there, if you want to see my videos and content over there, definitely go ahead and do that. And with all that being said, let's get into the new deals this week. We have a great moneymaker deal on the L'Oreal toner that's $8.59. It is on promotion for buy one and you get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing that, you can use this $5 digital coupon that we have that is attaching. You'd pay $3.59. And then after the $5 and extra bucks back, it would be free plus a $1.41 moneymaker. We also got a $5 CRT that works on a bunch of different skincare products, including Cetaphil. You can grab the Gentle Cleansing Bar at $5.49. Using that $5 CRT would make it just 49 cents. Okay, next getting into items that you can pair with the 10 off 25 oral care event CRT. The first item that you can pair in is the Tom's of Maine mouthwash that is buy one get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back $2 in extra bucks. You can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which would leave you to pay $6.18, and after the $2 in extra bucks back, it would make two of them just $4.18 or $2.09 each, or of course cheaper with the 10 off 25 CRT. If you want, you can also do the deal on the Tom's of Maine toothpaste. It'll just be a little bit more expensive because those are $7.99 regular price, and they'd be buy one, get one 50% off, buy two, get a $2 extra buck, and the same 4 off 2 would apply. The Colgate mouthwash are $4.99 on sale, and buy two and you get back a $4 extra buck, and we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so after coupon and extra buck, it would make two of them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The Colgate Sensitive toothpaste are buy two and you get back a $5 extra buck. They're $6.29 each, and you can use a separate 4 off 2 digital coupon for Colgate toothpaste. You'd pay $8.58, get back your $5 extra buck, making two of them $3.58. You can also grab the Colgate Optic White, the more expensive advanced variety, that are $7.59. Buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. Same promotion as the Sensitive, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon also applies to these. That same 4 off 2 digital coupon also applies to the Colgate Max Fresh. That's $4.79, and buy two and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you could throw this into your 10 off 25 oral care scenario as well. The Orajel toothpaste also works for the 10 off 25 CRT, and we do have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. It's $3.79 regular price. So after that $1.50 back on Ibotta, it would make it just $2.29. And if you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have a link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. You'll get a $5 bonus when you sign up with my link and submit for your first Ibotta offer like this Orajel offer. The Oral-B floss picks are $4.69 and we have a $1 digital coupon, so that'd make one of them just $3.69. It'd be a good filler item for a 10 off 25 scenario. Also, if you are brand loyal to Arm & Hammer, they are buy one, get one free this week, so that would be a good deal to throw in with the 10 off 25 CRT. Okay, now getting into a couple of moneymaker scenarios for using our 10 off 25 oral care CRT. This first one, you can grab 2 of the Colgate Optic White Advanced at $7.59 each and 2 of the Colgate Total Mouthwash at $4.99 each. These two different deals, these 4 items would total $25.16. With the 10 off 25 CRT, the 4 off 2 Colgate toothpaste digital, and the 4 off 2 Colgate mouthwash digital, you'd be left to pay $7.16. And then we'd earn back $9 in extra bucks for doing these 2 deals, $5 for the Optic White Advanced, and $4 for the total. And that would make your final cost free plus a $1.84 moneymaker. Another way that you could do the deal is grabbing 2 of the Orajel. I grabbed 2 because they are buy one, get one 50% off as well, and the Ibotta rebate is up to a limit of 5. 2 of the Colgate Sensitive toothpaste at $6.29 each and 2 of the Colgate Total mouthwash. These 6 items would total $28.24. We can use the 10 off 25 CRT, the 4 off 2 Colgate toothpaste digital for the Sensitive, and the 4 off 2 for the Colgate mouthwash. And we'd be left to pay $10.24. We'd earn back $9 in extra bucks, 5 for the Colgate Sensitive and 4 for the Colgate Total. And then we get back $3 from Ibotta, $1.50 for each of the Orajel, making our final cost free plus a $1.75 moneymaker. Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you earn back $3 in extra bucks. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so you'd pay $6, get back the $3 in extra bucks, making your final cost $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. The Garnier Whole Blends is on sale for $4.78 each, and they're buy 2 and you get back a $3 extra buck, plus we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Whole Blends. So after the coupon and extra buck back, it would make each one just $1.78. The Pantene Hair Care are buy one, get one 40% off, and they're a part of the spend 30 and you get back $10 in extra bucks for the summer promotion. So what I'm going to do is grab a total of 4 of these. 2 of them would total $10.06 with the buy one, get one 40% off, so 4 of them would total $20.12. I have a 4 off 20 Pantene CRT that one of my accounts got this week, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So I'd be left to pay $11.12 for 4 of them, or of course it's going to be cheaper paired in with my spend 30 get 10 scenario that I'm going to show you in just a second. L'Oreal Elvive are buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 at $6.29. I have really been loving the glycolic gloss. It's the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using right now. I really love it for my fine, thin hair. So 2 of these would total $12.58, and we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So using that, we'd pay $9.58, get back the $5 in extra bucks, making 2 of them $4.58. Irish Spring Body Wash is buy one, get one 40% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of them at $7.59 each, totaling $12.14, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.14, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $5.14. Otherwise, you can grab 2 of the soft soap body wash at $6.59 each, totaling $13.18. They are buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and you can use that 4 off 2 digital coupon on these as well. You pay $9.18, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making 2 of them $5.18. And if you want, you can also do the soft soap, hand soap refill deal. They are $8.49, buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon works on these as well. The Dial hand soap are $3.69 and buy one, get one 40% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 totaling $5.90. You'd pay that, and after the $3 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $2.90. Okay, next we're going to get into some razor deals. The Gillette and Venus cartridges are buy one, get one 50% off, and spend 30, get 10. You can grab one of these Gillette at $21.49 and one of these Venus at $18.49. We have $5 digital coupons for the cartridges. These 2 would total $30.73 with the buy one, get one 50% off sale. And then using a $5 digital for the Venus as well as for the Gillette, we'd be left to pay $20.73, earning back our $10 in extra bucks would make both packs of cartridges just $10.73. If you're like me and you like the 5 blade of the Venus, you can also grab these ones that are the regular Venus Extra Smooth that are $22.79. They're also with the buy one, get one 50% off sale price and the spend 30, get 10. And then with that, one of the Gillette Fusion 5s that are $22.79 as well. These two would total $34.18 with the $5 digital for the Venus and for the Gillette. You'd be left to pay $24.18, getting back your $10 in extra bucks. Would make both of these 5-blade cartridge refills just $14.18. The Gillette and Venus disposable razors are on sale for $6.99 each, and they're buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the Gillette Mach 3, those are the most expensive ones that are on sale for $6.99, and one of the Venus Sensitive that are $10.29 regular price, also on sale for $6.99. So one of each of those would total $13.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and for the Venus. Using those $6 in digital coupons, you'd pay $7.98, getting back your $4 extra buck, would make your final cost $3.98 for two or $1.99 each. I wanted to show you a scenario combining the cartridge deal with the disposable deal. As long as you have a 6 off 24 Venus CRT, this will end up being a super good deal. I have that on one of my accounts, so I am going to do this scenario this week. If you are wanting the Venus to ring up full price and the Gillette to ring up as 50% off when they are the same price item, make sure you ring up the one that you want to be 50% off first. That's a hack that I learned from couponing and shopping a lot at CVS. So these 4 items would total $48.16. Using the 6 off 24 Venus CRT, the $5 digital for the Gillette cartridges, and the $5 digital for the Venus cartridges, and then the $3 digital for the disposables for Venus and the $3 for the Gillette disposables, we'd be left to pay $26.16. We get back the $10 extra buck for the spend 30 get 10 deal and the $4 in extra bucks for buying 2 of the disposable razors, making our final cost for all 4 razor items just $12.16. You can grab one of the CoverGirl mascaras at $7.79 and use a $4 CRT that everyone got this week. You pay $3.79 and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making it 79 cents. The Axe deodorant are on sale for buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. At my store, they are $6.99 each, so you can grab 2 totaling $10.48 and use a 7 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $3.48, get back your $2 in extra bucks, and that would make both of them just $1.48 for both, which is a great deal. And if your store has these priced cheaper, it would just make it an even better deal for you. The Degree deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off as well, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of either the Degree women's or men's at $6.29, totaling $9.43, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.43, getting back the $3 in extra bucks would make 2 of the deodorants $2.43. Okay, so now getting into our spend 30 get back a $10 extra bucks scenario, like I mentioned before with the Pantene at $6.29 and buy one get one 40% off, grabbing 4, and then one of the Charmin at $9.99 on sale. So these 5 items would total $30.11. You can use a $1 digital for the Charmin, the 4 off 20 CRT for the Pantene, and the 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Pantene, and you'd be left to pay $20.11, earning back the $10 in extra bucks, would make our final cost just $10.11 for all 5 items. I do have a $5 OTC payment coupon from PG Brand Saver from submitting my P&G receipts. So I think I'm going to do this scenario this week and use that to make it even $5 cheaper. Another spend 30 get 10 scenario that you can do is the Bounty paper towels on sale for $15.99 and the Tide liquid on sale for $14.99. So these two would total $30.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $2 digital for the Bounty. You pay $25.98, get back your $10 extra buck, making both items $15.98. The Palmolive dish soap are on sale for $2.99 and they're buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 totaling $5.98 and use a 75-cent off of 1 digital coupon. You pay $5.23, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making both of them $3.23. The big 84-ounce Persil detergent is on sale for $13.99 and it's buy 1 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. Plus we have a $2 Ibotta rebate. So after the extra buck and $2 back on Ibotta, it would make this big Persil detergent just $7.99. We have a great deal on Nature Valley granola bars. They are on sale for $1.99 each. We have 75-cent Ibotta rebates up to a limit of 5. Plus, we have 550 points back when you buy 2 General Mills items, including the Nature Valley on Fetch. That's about 55 cents back on 2. And we have an offer for 50 cents back, 500 points when you spend 5 on Nature Valley products. So really, really great rebate offer stacking Ibotta and Fetch. If you do not already have Fetch, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. You can get a $4 bonus when you sign up. These smaller bags of Frito-Lay chips are on sale for 2 for $4.50, and we have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate on 2, making 2 bags just $3.75. These small packs of Carefree liners are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 would total $2.98. You'd pay that, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making both of them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. This A&D first aid cream is $7.79. Buy one, get back a $5 extra buck, and we have a $2.49 rebate on Ibotta. So that would make it just 30 cents. Heads up, in case you use Tums products, they are buy two and you get back a $5 extra buck this week. And we do have a $1.50 digital coupon as well. We also have another gift card promotion this week for spend $100 on select gift cards and you earn back $20 in extra bucks, and you can mix and match gift card quantities and types. Included are Applebee's, Domino's, Lowe's, DoorDash, and more. So that's a really great deal if you want to pick it up. Now getting into my rolling scenario, the first transaction I used my 10 off 25 oral care CRT. I grabbed the Colgate Sensitive toothpaste, the Orajel, and the Colgate mouthwashes. My 3 digital coupons came off and I earned back the $9 in extra bucks. I paid $8.35, got back the $9 and $1.50 on Ibotta. Then I rolled those $9 in extra bucks into the Axe deal with the Cetaphil bar and the Garnier Fructis. My digital coupons applied. I used those $9 in extra bucks and I paid just 97 cents and then earned back a total of $5 in extra bucks from doing those 2 deals. And then I'm rolling those $5 in extra bucks into transaction 3. In this transaction, I just picked up the Palmolive dish soap. So using my $5 in extra bucks, I paid just 23 cents and then earned back the $2 in extra bucks to use in my last transaction for this rolling scenario. And then I grabbed a Nature Valley bar, paid nothing, and got back 75 cents on Ibotta. So that made my net cost for all 4 transactions just $7.30 after my out-of-pocket cost minus Ibotta. Okay, and then I did the Gillette and Venus deal, stacking together a disposable deal with the cartridge deal. After all my coupons came off, I paid $16.04 plus $10 in extra bucks, so 26 out of pocket, and got back the $10 in extra bucks for the spend 30 get 10 deal and the $4 in extra bucks for the disposable razor deal, making my net cost just $12 for all 4 Gillette and Venus razor items. And then it wouldn't be a CVS trip from me without a messed up spend 30 get 10 deal. So I did the Pantene and I grabbed the Charmin, but for some reason the $9.99 Charmin was not ringing up in store. At my store, it was ringing up for $12.99 for some reason. So I had to swap it with the Scott toilet paper that's $10.99. And my OTC payment reduced down from $5 to like $2.53. No idea why. I guess just because I didn't have enough P&G items to soak up that full $5 in cost using my extra buck and my 4 off 20 Pantene coupon and the 5 off 3 Pantene coupon. So yeah, not exactly sure what happened here, but I did want to grab these products. So I just went ahead and purchased it anyways. I didn't want to void out my transaction using that OTC payment. Also, of course, I didn't get my $1 off for the Charmin because I swapped it out for the Scott, but I did get back my $10 in extra bucks, so it ended up being okay in the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and comment down below what you picked up this week at CVS and what you're planning on picking up next week if you're already looking forward to next week with the second week of the same CRTs, including the 10 off 25 oral care CRT. I'm also interested to see what you're picking up for your 10 off 25 oral care CRT. What transaction, what scenario did you come up with this week? Make sure to follow me on all my other short form platforms where I post short form videos. I am at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled, on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And I will catch you guys next week for the second week of the sale.